Hey friends, I wanted to make a video of this. This is a pretty good opportunity. This gentleman sent his stuff in to get completely rebuilt. 70s. I think it's a 70 Ebony. Early 71. But I wanted to go over the components again. So what we have is we have a 70 style booster. Once again, we can identify it by the three pads. They're a little bit different than the 71 to 74s. It has the diamond hole in the front case right there for the master cylinder retaining screw. Used on that 2229171. We have the large, thick, bushed rear rod carryover from the B bodies. That's what they used. The 70, strictly 70, very early 71 linkage is fashioned after the B body. It's one piece right here, highly desirable. The later ones, 71 and up through 74, these are two pieces and they're slightly different. They are slightly different. Super rare, 70 only piece. Sending him some nuts. Of course, a lot of these cars came with the TA valve that was released in January of 1970. It was Mopar's fourth revision of the brake valves. It is the best one. It's out of brass. We've got our safety switch in distribution block. Proportion valve is down here on the bottom, and then we have the introduction of the front metering valve. The front metering valve that Kelsey Hayes and Mopar came up with is the precursor of all ABS systems. There it is right there, dog. When you push it just right, you can feel that bump and this pin comes in and out. And what it did was metering valve. Just like the name implies, when it opened, and it wouldn't open till 130 psi, making damn sure that the back brakes always engage before the fronts, or you could go into an uncontrolled spin, kinetic energy, and no way to stop it till the energy's gone. That's its number one thing. And the other thing is, when it did open, it opened a whole bunch of times in microseconds instead of like flipping open a gate valve. So you had 0 to 100. No, it was slightly graduated. Mopar. And then of course we have the classic 71 up style master cylinder, 1.30" bore, got the snout, got the extended stroke to push more fluid. Fantastic master cylinder. Got the correct lid inscription, 7071 right there, J1703. Oh, Mopar, if you've got a master cylinder lid with a bunch of writing on there and a paragraph says clean this off before you pour in fluid and all that, it's an aftermarket. Sorry to bust your bubble, and if it says made in the USA anywhere, if any of your Mopar components say made in the USA, it ain't factory. Then we move on to the pin calipers. Pin calipers were used 70 through 74, and they are by far the best system ever designed. 4 machine ways, guide pins, pads 25% larger than the 73 and up sliding system, just a whole lot more braking power. Surface area and giant 2.75 inch piston calculates into a whole bunch of hydraulic force, actually approaching about 3,000 down at the rotor. It's unbelievable. There you go, my friends. God bless you. God bless America. It's been a pleasure, and Dan's parts are going out today, April the 8th, 2019. I hope this helped you out for you e-body guys. God bless you, God bless America, and happy Moparing.